Hi guys, in today's video I just want to show you how I make these really cute, easy, simple baby books and preschool books here. It's also a great way to keep a hold of all of your flashcards, keep them in one place so that we are not losing them. And today, my little bear is going to put this book together for himself as well as for Miss Daisy.
Open it?
Yeah, let's see. Let's tell them where we got these from first. We got these flashcards from Family Dollar, and they were literally $1. And I picked these because of the realistic photos that they have, and I really like that, along with the alphabet. And you have sight words here too, is and for, which they will get a lot of practice using that. It's good to know when to ask for help. Here you go. There you go. Good. And this, yeah, this is a photo album. This was also purchased at Family Dollar. Okay guys, so I finished the book and here is the final product. One thing I like about it is how it has the blends. As you can see here, it also has the sight words, is and for. Here you could see we missed the page. But yeah, it talks about different animals that you really don't see every day or in your area. Here you have some more blend words, blending sounds and letters, PH, SH, TH. So I was really surprised because I actually just picked up this box of cards just thinking that it was alphabet cards, and really liking that the pictures were more realistic instead of having a cartoonish element to it. And I got more for my dollar, more bang for my buck. So yeah, here is the three books that I have so far. I have the shapes, the alphabets, and the animals. So what I like to do also would be to cut out the border here.
Cut this. Cut this. Cut this too. Cut this too. Mommy.
I don't see
Cut this too, Mom.
Or if you really want to make it fun, you can get a pair of zigzag scissors. Hold on, Soupy. A pair of zigzag scissors. And see how it makes the edges really cute. And I like that. So this is what I'm going to go with. And these are just some scrapbooking scissors that I've had for a while, and I use them every now and then on things, projects like this. And this side, let's see. So then, what you do is you take your picture and slide it to the front here. You can even put a little piece of tape there if you like, but it tells you what that book contains. So this one is the spelling and the letters, the alphabet letters. This one here would be the Mickey Mouse colors and shape learning cards. And then this one, I haven't done anything to it because I actually like the globe on it. So, I have it like that. And I figured, if you know your letter sounds and can read, you have the whole world in the palm of your hand. And then you can just grab them like that. You can either put them on your shelf, put them in a photo album container, and your cards are not going to be spilling all over the place. So, $2 project, not